The Fault will be back as soon as we can.
This is BBC One. We are merging all BBC channels for an announcement. Please stand by. You watching BBC One. There has been confirmed reports of an incident in the Houses of Parliament in Westminster, London. It brings us our deepest regrets. We inform you about the death of the Prime Minister, David Cameron. A few moments ago, 2 gunmen dressed in all black opened fire on the Prime Minister and any of the MPs near him. The gunmen were both killed by police whilst trying to escape and haven't been identified. Due to this event, the BBC has decided to suspend programming and cut to BBC News early, please.
Due to recent events, ITV has decided to suspend its normal programming.